Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. So in the first step, click here and search for run. Then click here to open it. Now type this command. Then click on OK. Select continue. On this window you need to select all these files and delete them. Okay, now close this window. Again click here and search run. Open it. Now type %10% and click on OK. Again select all these files and delete them. Click on continue. You need to check this box and then click on skip. Okay, now close this window. Again click on search, type run and click here to open it. Now type prefetch and then click on OK. Select continue. Again select all these files, right click and select delete. Again close this window. Again open task manager, click here to open it. Now click here and select run new task, then click on browse. It will open file explorer. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder and search for System32 folder. Okay, here we go. Open it. In the System32 folder we need to search for CMD file, then select it and click on open. Now click here and type space dash dash update and then check this box and then click on OK. It will open command prompt window. Now you need to type here gp update and then hit enter. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Now simply restart your system and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.